All right, almost done with this problem. So we've got on the left side, we're going to add our 60x to the third, to this negative 60x to the third, so those are going to cancel out. And we're going to subtract x to the fourth, and those are going to cancel out. We're going to subtract 1684. So here we'll have these two added up and then minus 1684. So 900 plus 144 is 1044x squared minus 1684 is negative 640x squared. And so now we've got 0 over here equals negative 640x squared minus 8640x plus 129,600. They all can be divided by 320. So a negative 320. So we'll factor that out. So we'll have 2x squared plus 27x minus 405. And then dividing by negative 320, we can just factor the rest. It factors to 2x plus 45 and x minus 9. Setting each factor equal to 0, we have x equals 9 and negative 22.5, which doesn't make any sense in our feasible domain, which was 0 to 30. So let's find the length of the wire if we have 0, if we have 9, and if we have 30 for x. So to figure that out, we have to go back to our original equations. So y is the square root of x squared plus 144. If you put a 0 in there, we'll have the square root of 144 for y. And here, if you put a 0 in there, we'll have the square root of 1684. So the square root of 1684 is about 41, and then the square root of 144 is 12. So that's about 53.03. All right. Then if we plug in the 30, so go back to our original equations. Plug in 30, we've got 30 squared plus 144. That's 1044. And then square root of that is about 32.3. And then we'll have, let's put it on here, 32.31098. And then we'll put 30 in here. So we'll have 30 squared minus 60 times 30 plus 1684. So that's 784. The square root of 784 is 28. So plus 28. So there we have about 60.31098. And then plug in 9. So 9 squared plus 144 is 225, and that is a perfect square. 15. And then 9 squared here, minus 60 times 9, plus 1684 is 1225, which is 35. So we have 15 plus 35 for our length of wire, which is 50. Exactly 50. Guess I didn't need a squiggly there. So we're looking for the least amount of wire. So the least amount of wire would be the 50. So the wire should be 9 feet from the 12-inch pole, or 12-foot pole, I'm sorry. And that's your final answer. So there's your homework.